Hello, this is Imran Shubuj. Welcome you all to watching my video. Today I am going to share some experiences how to select you perfect compressor while lubricants while grade and its drain time. You know that there are many kinds and many types of compressor are existing in the world, but mostly used compressor machine's name is a screw type air compressor. So if you want to go a garments factory, textile spinning, where pneumatic machines are present, there mostly used compressor machine name is screw type air compressor. So now we are going to how to select a perfect lubrications grade for your industrial screw air compressor or any compressor machines. At first you will go through the product manual. Every product have its own manual. So we will go through the product manual and find out the chapters of lubrications where some grades were mentioned as that like this ISO VC 32, 46, 68, 100, 150, 220, etc. etc. and select one grade which is perfectly instructed for your compressor machine. Now the time has been arrived. How after using how many hours you can change these lubrications oil. So if you use mineral type lubricating oil, then you will change within 2 to 300 hours. If you use synthetic type lubrications, you can change it 2000 to 2500 hours. And if you use synthetic type of formulations of lubrications, compressor lubrications, you can change it 400 to 500 hours, not more than that. Thank you for watching this video and hope this video will help you to find out the correct lubrications grade and its drain time. Thank you to watch.